the headmaster of the school. And
another who's a higher Akoma.
Yes.
Yeah, Kasem Nungu.
I will report and so what called the campus war. Nkoma edin CCA unedited. This is one of the Nkoma, but we can confirm this is from Asamankese.
Oh, sir.
Yes, we are confirming for the fact that this is from Asamankese.
Fantastic.
And beyond this, a lot is going on in that school.
I see.
I'm not yet answerable to anything. If you can call the headmaster, name to me and find the number my house without asking permission from. I need approval from my head.
But a two-set building be one more.
There is a lot. You can come here and look at it.
This is just one of the.
Oh yes, yes.
Beyond that, in fact. Entire video. There's an entire video. Yesterday video, no, Edema a teacher.
Okay.
And teachers are not allowed to talk.
Yes.
And all that. And a report on Swako School Home.
Okay.
And we are getting the era view, a drone shot.
Wow.
We're going to give you the drone shot.
And I just said, oh, yes. Nice.
The drone shot of the school.
Nice.
And it's very interesting.
Hey, you see, this is a confirmation of
it's so terrible.
A
lot of frustration is ongoing, but it shall be well. It shall be well.
And therefore, who is a higher Akoma FM?
And we'll give you the drone shot. Currently, there's a drone shot ongoing. But that. Era view of what is going on and a live update on what is going on. But some of the teachers cry.
Who's the woman now confirm? Say
and they wish on the they are doing a lot of admission.
Yes.
So, but now they feel some kind meeting crab bar na school penny for Ababidin Commonafi. You know exactly what is going on. But I tell for more journey on our Facebook page on Akoma 87.9 FM. You bet me and I'm nothing you didn't come on that. But now you kasai you share okay. Dave Mami now input on this. You see the other microphone. Bibi Abokodia. Asamankese. We're getting all the discussions, all the videos are pay in Sakaye and lots happening. What is it? Wako school hall?
I think
Kasegu microphone.
Meko school hall January 29th.
Okay.
Meko documentary bi o our town him.
Okay.
You know. NGOB na say the person nhwe old towns no.
Okay.
Na yenye documentary around the old towns in Ghana. Obi my who say Asamankese is a very very old town. Nti as part of nyamani ekọ
that's a creative crew.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, any ye befa ho ne ayedin. Hwe school no. Ti era school ni mo no. I think they were on a break also. Nti nkwala bi omo ho a na omo ye national science and math quiz.
Okay.
Omo ye rehearsals
yeah.
And preparations. Any share omo ni omo kasa. Nti ebi na omo de ye nante school no ho ne ade. Nti ye do boys dormitory no. I was like, we need dormitory.
I didn't use.
Yes, they are still using this. And then we crampo the Nikitwa no. We because we there because Jina on the side say and I try. But me my full view na. Kawabon say no, this is really bad. And then Kwalani dasu yusu adewi. And then this thing, a bit me bu at any time. Na ne ana e mesre ne say me Jina wotwa no. Security men be a idiom abegu. Ya bo structure bi as a wooden structure bi na e dia mo we nchen yo wooden structure e we nchen no mo dem say omo no mo guide school ba ko ba ya adenti na wotwa e na mbuzan say nti say wo bada de we mu a woni beje oh yen de won say omo de ya ba say ye mehwe ha ni ade ye ntimi nka school no wan sem bebre ni na mbuze me say nti ade we ya wa ankwala ndem mo koba e na ankwala no so mo ahomete ebi dwane ebi yesi Russia wani ade staircase baby I think there is a place a staircase in Chempe who say a crack here from top to down.
They are okay, and the video and our screen confirm is what we call the right to privacy in law. Say Constitution, the Article 18 Clause 8(2) talk about privacy.
Yeah.
now oko the evidence act nenswa 1969 the evidence act and also control when ubetime invade in privacy two things by law Ghana and if the action is against public safety under these two conditions emrana makwan to invade people's privacy until by law until what you were doing is
and
that for public what safety
because for the interest of the general
public you were not wrong so we trust our
I was not wrong and then
because you can invade people's privacy on two conditions
and this is a
by law
space.
By law it says a court of competent judicial bit market or say be our free cry then by any action against public safety and it say obi ye bibi say police ni ye bibi ukohu sa death trap dan na ucha you are not invading anybody's privacy.
And then funny enough teachers no more school no at that point na me got to no me show mo video no they were like senior see I was say mo kasa mo fa mo car na mo cameras ni ade ni na amra mo buy e be kasa. These are the teachers. Because Oma break, Oma assembly, Oma baby, Oma baby. Still, it's not happening.
I see.
And you know,
this is a video one kasa.
Yes,
our January 9th, 2022.
January 29th.
Which is we are in April until less than 3 months. This is the dormitory. And that is what you are telling us. Okay. Yeah, well, Benjamin Akoha, my the era view, now the current state, but there is a lot of frustration. Therefore, ucha pictures, no, na videos, no, na amaye that confirmation, and I don't pay you doing come David. Oh my God!
Asema no car security man na no baby son no question.
No security man dey so yen.
On no dan table there.
No oye na.
He is not worried about his own safety.
Oye na juma.
Ejuma be na oye. You are not worried about your own safety.
Oye na juma.
Now look at this. Sadie we cry the security man man dem ku na.
Oye na juma.
Ejuma be na e dem ye instruct say ye juma na ku for
Now listen to this.
But a true say building be hono mo
there is a lot. You can come here and look at it.
There's a lot. You can come here.
So who corner ko hu omo girls dormitory I will say befim. It's so bad. Say be catch us say a man that's adan we. And then funny enough no I think say before no na omo nsheda any proper wall bia was
okay.
You get town boys
video
eba wi ama no ema no omo wi omo eko all the time until recently men so omanya some new walls nice one be no dey fine good roads abaho fine.
Oh, okay.
But in Kwala no baby omo da no
it is terrible.
It is so bad. So bad.
Ebi atama na nado be ko hono mo no. Omo ko penti ye. No man ye fe kakra. Na ba bi adruni. Omo me nka me kre fa nche na nado. E ma na ehum ommobo. No mo ko ye foforo mo.
So ahane ye the face ben honi na wo no.
Okay, so ahane ye I think say omo say omo chaplain. Omo chaplain eyi na wo ho no. You say baby a wo hwe. So fa wo sane akọ there's another ground floor.
Okay.
And jo fa wo sane akọ ground floor. And we are so na link road there call second floor. Oh, into staircase in chen ho. Fi soro ebe pemase o nyina na agwiri no. Okay.
Dave Anope, we are more than grateful for the input out there my. Thank you very much and that is it. JB obolo bla bla be we